Hey, good morning. Let's go over today's trade plan. So in the overnight session, we saw a liquidation and trend down type move, which so far has taken ES down into the 25 quarter to 26 quarter area, but there could still be more downside to go. So heading into the open, our short-term bias is going to be bearish, and our focus will be on the short side while exercising caution on the long side. Now, the first pocket of resistance is at 35.75 to 37.75, and if the market is really weak and is in trend down mode, then it could hold even below that very aggressive area of resistance. Above that, we have the initial resistance zone at 41 to 44, where sellers can be active, and the same goes for 47.5 to 49.5. Now, if the market is truly weak, then ideally we want to see it holding below pre-market resistance or the initial resistance zone. On the downside, we have pre-market support at 25 quarter to 26 quarter, which is primarily based off the overnight bounce, and below that we have the initial support zone at 15 to 19, and in the bearish trend down scenario, the market could quite easily tag 15 to 19, where buyers may be active on first test, but if the day is indeed setting up as a trend down day, then ES does not have to stop at 15 to 19, so we could get a reaction at that zone, but if we continue to see sustained downside momentum, then ES could head lower into the open gap at 28.07, as well as the support areas below at 28.02 to 05, as well as 27.9675 to 99.75, and that is a larger time frame area of support where buyers are likely to be active on first test. So that is the primary plan heading into the open, and as long as we're not seeing any major warning signs that are counter to that plan, like big wide range bars and big momentum to the upside, or the NYC tick holding above zero, or the AD line rapidly trending back up, so as long as there aren't some very clear and obvious signs suggesting that the buyers are stepping in a very aggressive way, our focus is going to be on the short side, and we are going to exercise caution on the long side. And again, if this is truly going to turn into a trend down day and a larger breakdown, then we want to see the market holding below pre-market resistance or initial resistance, and worst case scenario 47.5 to 49.5. But if this market is truly weak, then it's unlikely that it'll pop back up towards 47.5 to 49.5. And the more likely scenario is that sellers will hold it below pre-market resistance or initial resistance. So that is the market context heading into the open. Let's see if the sell side can maintain the firm control that we've seen in the overnight session, and we'll take it from there.